Projects are all around us. Everything that we wear, that we eat, that we touch, or use every day, was an outcome of a successful project to create a unique product that you're enjoying now. Projects literally run the modern economy. And every project requires some sort of planning. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would learn about project planning and its importance. And, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. So, what is project planning? Project planning is a discipline addressing how to complete a project in a certain time frame, usually with defined stages and designated resources. One view of project planning divides the activity into these steps: setting measurable objectives, identifying deliverables, planning tasks, and then these tasks are managed through project management processes. Before diving deep into project planning, let's analyze the phrase project planning. It consists of two words: project and planning. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to achieve a particular aim in a certain duration and budget. Every project has a start and finish date with something to deliver under a certain cost. The project always produces a unique output, and it doesn't continue forever. It ends when the objectives are met. And planning is a process for accomplishing the purpose. It doesn't matter how complex or easy a project is, the planning serves as a blueprint throughout the project. It helps in deciding objectives, both in quantitative and qualitative terms. This is the process where all activities are well thought before starting the actual project work. Project planning is at the heart of the project life cycle, which bridges the gap between where are we now to where we want to go. It tells everyone involved in the project what is your current position, where you're going, why you're going, and how you're going to get there, and who's going to be involved in the project. Basically, it tells us all before the execution, and makes things happen which would not otherwise occur. Planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it. It's how the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza was planned, to move 2.3 million large blocks of slabs from Tura riverbed to the construction site in the 26th century BC. It is how the New York subway system was planned in 1904 to be one of the world's largest and most diverse transit systems, which operates via an extensive network of 11,500 signals and uses 1.8 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, roughly what it would take to light up the city of Buffalo for a whole year. It is how the planning of Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest water conservation project in China, was done to remove 103 million cubic meters of sand and pour 27 million cubic meters of cement. It is how the first Tesla car design was completed in 2003 and moved for mass production. Planning is not only limited to creating products. Service industries like event management, software, consultancy, healthcare, government, all need meticulous plans to efficiently execute their work. Simple planning can be made on a piece of paper with a pen or pencil, or just using your mind, which people have been using for ages. However, planning a project requires a deal of attention to the involved people, processes, and tools. This ensures all aspects of the project is well thought in advance. It is a walkthrough of the project to get activities organized before actually doing the work. Also, it presents a huge opportunity to save resources, time, and money, and it encourages increased stakeholder buy-in and commitment to the projects. But why we are so much worried about project planning? What is the importance of project planning? Well, project planning boosts project performance and success rates. If we look at stats, the project failure rate for most companies is 70% or more. Achieving a project's objectives is often not as easy a task as it sounds in the very first place. The company loses billions of dollars due to bad project planning. Project planning involves comprehensive mapping and organizing of project aims, tasks, schedules, and resources before anyone assigns roles for the project, and the team begins to execute the plan. You can avoid almost all sorts of problems that led to project failure with proper project planning. In short, project planning saves money and time. Failed projects are expensive. A poorly planned project can easily run into delays, unexpected glitches, and scope creep. Project planning provides structure and foresight for the execution stage, helping to eliminate wasteful activities and efforts. Project planning improves team communication. Good communication is essential for smooth project execution, and this applies to projects of every size and type. Even two collaborators must communicate well to make sure they complete project tasks on time. A project plan takes into consideration the team's communication needs and pinpoints the most effective channels to keep collaborators connected, such as email, chat, virtual meetings, shared documents, and more. Project planning ensures the best use of resources. One of the key components of project planning is resource planning. Every project is based on resource use, including staffing, equipment, budget, office space, and time. Without proper planning, it's nearly impossible to make sure an organization allocates and uses resources in the most cost-effective and appropriate way. Project planning makes it easy to track project goals and outcomes. Another key part of the project planning process is defining the project's goals and objectives. Clearly defined and specific project goals are easier for team leads to translate into quantitative measures of success. Project planning helps keep all stakeholders aligned. Teamwork is a critical factor in any group activity, especially in project management. Good teamwork exists only when all collaborators know their roles and responsibilities, how their part fits in with the whole, what impact their actions have on other team members' productivity, and what expectations project leads have for them as individuals and as a team. A solid project plan provides an official reference point for all collaborators. That way, everyone is in alignment and up to date about tasks, timelines, expectations, and workflow. When you use project management software to create a project plan, it's even easier for all collaborators to access and view the entire plan at any time, and even contribute their opinions and expertise to the planning phase. Project planning improves customer satisfaction. Project planning not only benefits the project's performance and outcome but also plays a critical role in customer satisfaction. Customers are 8 times more likely to come back to the service provider if they believe the company is assisting them with project planning and management. Involving customers in project planning encourages them to contribute their perspective and ideas, rather than simply telling them what they need to do. This ensures more effective execution and makes team members feel like a valued part of the company. Planning drives performance. Project planning has a big impact on the organization as a whole. When done properly, project planning saves resources, reduces costs, improves company culture, and improves employee morale. And successful project always starts with sound project planning. If your project planning phase is focused and precise, you'll reap the rewards with project success. And now you know what is project planning and what its benefits. If you'd like to know more about project planning, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.